Okay, good morning, students. Just I wanted to explain about the new syllabus for academic year of 2020 to 21. Okay, which topics are present in our syllabus or which topics are not present in our syllabus. Okay, which topics are present in our syllabus we called retained portion. Which topics are not present in our syllabus we called delete portion here. See, first I am taking solid state. In solid state, retained portion is general characteristics of solid state. Okay, amorphous and crystalline solids, classification of crystalline solids, crystal lattice and unit cells, number of atoms in a unit cell, closed packed structures, packing efficiency, calculation involving unit cell and dimensions, imperfections in solids. This is the retained portion. Next, deleted portion, electrical and magnetic properties, band theory of metal conductors, semiconductors, insulators, and N and P type semiconductors. This is about the first one. Okay, first chapter, deleted and retained portion of solid state chemistry. First chapter finished. Next we will move into second chapter, solutions. In solutions, retained portion is types of solutions, expressing the concentration of solution, solubility. Okay, here vapor pressure of liquids, ideal and non-ideal solutions, colligative properties and determination of molar mass. Up to that only retained portion is there. Deleted portion, abnormal mass, Van 't Hoff factor, both deleted from our solutions chapter. Next, in electrochemistry, retained portion is electrochemical cells, galvanic cells, Nernst equation, conductance of electrolytic solution, electrolytic cells and electrolysis. In electrolysis, okay, products of electrolysis. Okay, finally batteries. We have the batteries. Okay, deleted portion from electrochemistry, lead accumulator, fuel cell, corrosion, loss of electrolysis, just elementary idea. Okay, dry cell, okay, here electrolytic cells and galvanic cells. Different galvanic cells are that different. Only give elementary idea to dry cell, electrolytic cell and galvanic cell. Do not skip that one. Okay, never skip that one. We only what we called preliminary approach. Next, fourth chapter, chemical kinetics. In chemical kinetics, retained portion is rate of a chemical reaction, factors influencing of a reaction, rate of reaction, integrated rate equation, that means okay, zero order, first order rate equations, temperature dependence of a rate of equation. Okay, how temperature depends on rate of the equation, we'll see in continuation. Okay, concept of collision theory, deleted portion, I am telling now deleted portion, concept of collision theory, elementary idea, no mathematical treatment. Okay, activation energy, Arrhenius equation. These topics deleted from chemical kinetics. Next, surface chemistry, retained portion is adsorption, catalysis, just only shape selective catalysis. Okay, colloids and properties, classification of colloids around us. Okay, these are the topics present in retained topics present in surface chemistry. Next, deleted portion from surface chemistry, emulsions, types of emulsions, catalysis, homogeneous catalysis and heterogeneous catalysis, activity and selectivity of solid catalyst, enzyme catalysis. All these deleted from okay, here surface chemistry. Okay, next move into inorganic chemistry. One chapter is there, 6th unit, general principles and process of isolation of elements. This chapter completely deleted. Is completely deleted from part 1, completely deleted. Next in P block elements, 7th chapter P block elements, 15th group. 15th group, in 15th group dinitrogen retained portion, I am telling first retained portion. Okay, 15th group elements, dinitrogen is there present, ammonia, oxides of nitrogen, okay, excluding structure, only oxides, nitric acid, oxo acids of phosphorus, only structures. Okay, next 16th group dioxygen, simple oxides, ozone, sulfur, allotrophic form, sulfur dioxide, oxyacids of sulfur, sulfuric acid. Next 17th group chlorine, hydrogen chloride, oxo acids of halogens, interhalogen compound, and in explanation of the 18th group elements. These topics are present in our syllabus in 2020-21. Next deleted portion is here, deleted portion from pre-block. Okay, just I am explaining. Preparation and properties of phosphine, sulfuric acid removed completely, industrial process manufacture, oxides of nitrogen removed, that means only structure is removed, phosphorus allotropic forms, compounds of phosphorus, preparation properties of halides and oxo acids deleted. Yes, now this is about the P block 7th chapter from 7th chapter from part 1. 8th chapter from part 1, D block and F block elements. In D block and F block elements, okay, retained portion is position in the periodic table, okay, electronic configuration of the D block elements, general properties of transition elements, lanthanide contraction, reasons, consequences, some important applications of D block and F block elements. This is the retained portion. Okay, here I am explaining deleted portion. Chemical reactivity of lanthanides, actinides, electronic configuration, oxidation states and comparison with lanthanides, preparation and properties of KMnO4 and K2Cr2O7. This completely deleted from D block and F block. This is about the retained and deleted portion of D block and F block elements. Next, unit 9 from part 1, last unit in part 1. Okay, retained portion. I am explaining retained portion. Werner's theory of coordination compounds, definitions of some important terms related to coordination compound, pertaining to coordination compounds, nomenclature of coordination compounds is very very important, bonding in coordination compound, okay, which type of bonding is present we will see in continuation, bonding in metal carbonyls. These topics are present in our syllabus. Deleted topics, structure and stereoisomerism, importance of coordination compounds in qualitative analysis, extraction of metals and biological systems. This completely deleted from our topic. This is about the part 1. Then move into the part 2, organic chemistry. Okay, here organic chemistry. First see the organic chemistry, first chapter in part 2, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Retained portion in retained syllabus in, okay, here haloalkanes in haloarenes. Okay, classification, nomenclature, nature of CX bond, methods of preparation of haloalkanes, preparation of haloarenes, physical properties and chemical reaction and chemical properties. These topics present in haloalkanes and haloarenes. Deleted portion is uses and environmental effects of dichloromethane, okay, trichloromethane, tetrachloromethane, iodoform, freons, DDT also completely removed from our syllabus from for to 2020 to 21. Next, in continuation, we'll see the classification. 11th chapter is alcohols, phenols, ethers. Retained portion is classification, nomenclature, structure of functional groups, alcohols and phenols, ethers. Alcohol, phenol, ether means chemical properties, physical properties. Okay, here preparation of alcohols are there. Different reactions also present. Okay, this is about the deleted portion. Here uses of special reference to methanol and ethanol is small topic deleted from this. Okay, next 12th chapter as it is no deleted portion from 12th chapter. It is very useful for the NEET examination and JEE examination. Okay, here I am reading topics: nomenclature and structure of carbonyl group, preparation of aldehydes and ketones, physical properties, chemical properties, uses of aldehydes and ketones, nomenclature and structure of carbonyl group, methods of preparation of carboxylic acid, physical properties and chemical reactions, uses of carboxylic acid. These topics are retained in our syllabus in 12th chapter, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. No deleted portion from aldehydes and ketones and carboxylic acid. Then move into amines. One more chapter, 13th chapter, this is amines. Okay, retained portion in amines: structure of amines, classification of amines, nomenclature of amines, preparation of amines, physical properties of amines, chemical properties of amines, method of preparation of diazonium salts, physical properties and chemical properties. Okay, and then diazonium salts preparation, chemical reaction. Deleted portion is diazonium salts preparation, chemical reaction and importance in synthetic organic chemistry. Okay, that is the deleted portion. It's a small topic, it's a very very important. Next move into one more topic, biomolecules. I think this is the last chapter in our second PUC. Biomolecules. In biomolecules, retained portion is carbohydrate, proteins, nucleic acid. Carbohydrates also monosaccharides are present, no disaccharides, no polysaccharides. Here deleted portion, oligosaccharides deleted complete, sucrose, lactose, maltose completely deleted, polysaccharides, starch, cellulose, glycogen all deleted, importance of carbohydrates also deleted, vitamins also deleted, enzymes, hormones also deleted. We have only proteins here, nucleic acids, carbohydrate, biomolecules. In biomolecules, this is the retained portion. Next polymers chapter, completely deleted. Okay, chemistry in everyday life completely deleted. This is about the theory second PUC syllabus. Okay, for academic year 2020 to 21. Okay, thank you.